And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And today, we're gonna show you how to remove the factory hardtop from your new Ford Bronco. Now this really is easy to do. And this video is for those of you who have not yet removed your hardtop and you wanna know how. Now the reasons for removing your hardtop, well, maybe you wanna put on a soft top, well, like what we're gonna do with this rig. Or maybe you just wanna strip your Bronco down and enjoy the sun. Either way, like I said before, it's easy to do, so let's show you how. Right now, the first thing we need to do is get rid of our front panels. So we're gonna drop down our sun visors. We're gonna start with the twisty handles right here in front. And then we're gonna do the twist handles in the rear. And then you've got your twist handles on the side. And then last, we're gonna do our release latches. Now you can push up on your panels and remove them. So on your back panels, you've got the center twist latch here, and then our two rears. And then we've got our paddles. All right, now we're gonna get into the back. Now just inside your hardtop on the driver's side, we've got our electrics plug. We're just gonna push that in and drop her down. And then this is our washer. And that just snaps off. And now we're gonna take them, we're gonna wrap them down here around the sport bar. And that's what these guys are for. They're there to hold them safe and out of the way. So grab your electric plug and just snap it in. And then your washer plug, and that also snaps in. Now up on this rail, we've got 4 T50 screws. Then there's 2 more of these T50 screws, 1 on each side. So we're going to close our tailgate so we can walk past it. Then you want to grab right up underneath here and lift up. And now we can go straight off the back. Now you can do that by yourself, but it is a lot easier with an assistant. Now if you're going to be installing an aftermarket soft top like we are, you're going to need to remove these brackets here. There's 1 on each side, and they also have those T50 bolts, 3 of them. Now, as soon as you get your hardtop off, the first thing I like to do is grab some 303 protectant, a couple rags, and we're just gonna go over our front seals. We've got them nice and exposed right now, so let's go ahead and get those cleaned up really nice. And you wanna make sure you use something that's got UV protectant because this is now out in the open. And that's all there is to removing the hardtop on your new Ford Bronco. And as I said before, it is really easy to do. So thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.